Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of multilingual WordPress websites. Specifically, we'll be exploring how to import your posts in multiple languages using the powerful combination of WPML and the WP Ultimate CSV Importer plugin. Before we jump in, let's address a common pain point. Manually translating all your content into different languages can be incredibly time-consuming and tedious. That's where WPML and WP Ultimate CSV Importer come to the rescue. WPML is a fantastic plugin that transforms your WordPress site into a multilingual powerhouse. It allows you to create different language versions of your content, manage translations, and display them beautifully to your global audience. However, what if you have a bunch of posts in multiple languages you want to import into WPML? That's where WP Ultimate CSV Importer comes in. This plugin lets you import all your post data, including titles, content, categories, and even images, in a breeze. But here's the best part: you can create one CSV file for all languages posts you want to import. Have you ever used a CSV Importer plugin before? Let me know in the comments. Now, in my CSV file, I have blogs with amazing travel content, and I have translated my posts already. By using WPML and WP Ultimate CSV Importer, you can quickly import translations of your blog posts into Spanish, French, or any other language you desire. This opens up your content to a whole new audience and can significantly boost your website traffic and engagement. Alright, let's get down to business. Let's see step by step on how to import your posts in multiple languages using WPML and WP Ultimate CSV Importer. Setting up WPML. First, we need to install and activate the WPML plugin. We'll then need to configure the languages you want to use on your website. I have configured with languages like English, US, French, Portuguese, and Spanish. Preparing your CSV files. Now, it's time to create your CSV file for each language. You can also import XML file, but for this tutorial I am using CSV file. Here's a tip: use a spreadsheet program like Google Sheets to create your CSV file. Ensure each column represents a specific data point, like post title, content, category, etc. I didn't included category. When preparing your CSV file, you must note that two fields needs to be added: language code field and translated post title field. The language code field include the language code of the post. The translated post title field includes the original post title, that is parent post title from which the post is getting translated. I have translated my English language post in French and Spanish languages. Import with WP Ultimate CSV Importer. Let's import with WP Ultimate CSV Importer Pro. Navigate to the import dashboard and upload the file. Configure post type posts from the drop-down, and this should be new item as we're importing new posts. Mapping your CSV fields. The plugin allows you to easily map the data from your CSV files to the corresponding fields in WordPress. You can use the advanced mapping or go for drag and drop. Media handling. This section helps to insert our external URL images in WordPress default library. So this is always enabled. Importing your posts. With the mapping done, we can finally import posts. Click Import. The plugin will seamlessly import your content from the CSV files into your chosen languages within WPML. Verify the import. The import is successfully done. You can see all the posts are imported in their languages as we mentioned in the CSV and linked to their parent post. There you have it. With WPML and WP Ultimate CSV Importer, you can efficiently import your posts in multiple languages and transform your WordPress site into a truly global platform. If you have any questions about WPML, WP Ultimate CSV Importer, don't hesitate to leave a comment below. We'll be happy to help.